Hello Internet and welcome to video 4 in our workshop build series, video collection, whatever you want to call it. Today we are talking lights. We are in the room, it's just probably 5:30 in the evening. The sun is the other side of the building, but that's not the point. It's still very light outside as we can see here, but there's not a lot of light inside the room. Now, we can turn the lights on, but as I said in the last video, the light's not very good. It's just, well, dull. And I need a bit more light in this room. As you can see, we need to be able to see things. So I've gone ahead and bought a light kit from Amazon, and I'm going to show you all about it. Are you ready? Let's get to it. If you're just joining us for the first time, we are turning a bedroom from a new house that we've moved into a workshop area for my 3D printing business. We've taken a spare room, used some AI concepts, and we are doing our best to make it look like this. So this is where we're at. We've painted the walls, we've put a walnut style wall feature on for the main print wall, and we've got the racking up. So today we're attacking lighting. So I've bought this light kit from Amazon. It's a Fastfire hex work light. Well, they called it a garage light. It comes with 5 hexagonals, and I've already put this together, and you can see this on the floor here, but we haven't tested it because I can't test it because it needs the power from this little baby. And as you know, I am not an expert. I have no idea what I'm doing. So we're just gonna crack straight on and get it tested by getting this light off the ceiling. We're gonna turn off the power, obviously, and see how we go. It's going to be a bit of a shorter video, this one, as I don't think we're going to do much else but get this light up today, but let's get started. For those interested, this was the light that we purchased on Amazon, Fastfire Hex Lighting Garage with 5 hexagonal LED lights. It's a 6500K super bright honeycomb light, which was very lightweight when we put it all together, and it just worked. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description of this video if you're interested in it. Okay, so we're not experts, but we have it all wired in. Wasn't too difficult, to be fair. My mum was right. If she can do it, then I can too. So all's good. We're going to test it. Let's see if it works. Holy hell. I think we have more light. It is very bright indeed. So next job, let's get it up on the ceiling. Well, Internet, here we are at the end of a long day. I've been at work, and I've come home and just cracked on with getting the lights up because I really wanted to achieve it. And I think we are ready to show the results. I've waited for it to get a little bit darker just to kind of give you a bit of an idea of really how bright this thing is. And I kid you not, it's bright. But that's what we were going for. So you have to excuse the darkness here, but we'll just turn the light on and you can see just how much light this gives. Here we are. Ooh, brightness. But I think we've solved the lighting problem. Before it was dim, and now we have 5 hex lights that are just literally filling up the room with pure white light. They're really strong LEDs, they're 6500. I'll put a link in the description. Not trying to sell anything or now like that, but just give you a bit of an idea of the ones I bought. But it fills up the room. It gives the room contrast, it makes it bright, it makes my camera look so much better, which is one of the things that was bugging me with all these videos because I just didn't have enough light. And quite honestly, it's gonna do really well with getting things like video production going when I'm envisioning a workbench here where we can have a nice display. There's gonna be a nice neon light here. I'm thinking, maybe, I haven't decided yet, but I've got a nice design. I haven't really got it yet. I was thinking of 3D printing one, but I wanted it big and I don't want to do that just yet. So yeah, we are here. I've got the light. We're a step forward. Now I've just got to get the rest of the room fully set up, but we are one step closer to having the workshop that I always wanted. So thanks for joining. If you like this video, please, please, please give it a like and subscribe. Leave comments if you've got any ideas or suggestions on what I can do to make this room even better. Thanks for joining, and I will see you in the next video.